A leading logistics and quick commerce distribution operator had accurate warehouse data, but everything happening in between stayed unclear. AlphaNext built 4 connected AI-native systems, tracking labor across zones, forecasting demand early, and comparing live performance against targets. The system checked performance continuously, in real time using AI-driven predictive analysis, warning the team early enough to act before delays happened. AI-native transformation replaced late reporting with predictive alerts, giving supervisors time to act, while AI-led automation enabled fair, zone-specific staffing targets. Volume surges were flagged early, not overnight. Supervisors saw performance clearly, leadership trusted data, and last-mile optimization stayed on track. Smarter teams are now hybrid, blending human experience with AI intelligence. Leading businesses are built on intelligence today, powered by AlphaNext's technologies.